Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm so excited to show you the best new IKEA items for January 2025. From iconic classics to fresh, trendy pieces, there's something for everyone. All the links are in the description, and I just want to say a huge thank you to all the amazing new subscribers. You guys are the best. So let's jump right in. Let's talk about the BYAKORRE open shelf unit, a true IKEA classic reborn. Originally designed by Niels Gammelgaard in 1985 and known as Guide, this beauty has made a stylish comeback in the KLOKHET collection. Its simple yet elegant design makes it a timeless choice for any room, while the adjustable feet ensure stability even on uneven floors. Whether you're organizing books, plants, or decor, BYAKORRE offers functionality with a sleek, modern edge. Add a piece of IKEA history to your home and enjoy storage that's as smart as it is stylish. Meet KLIPPBRÄCKA, the cushion cover that's here to make a bold statement. Designed by Anna Efferlund and first introduced in 1997 as modig Korn, this striking black and white pattern is now part of the KLOKHET collection. The hidden zipper makes it so easy to remove and wash, while the 100% recycled fabric blends sustainability with style. Perfect for adding a modern flair to your sofa or bed, KLIPPBRÄCKA is all about timeless charm with a fresh, bold twist. Transform your space with this standout piece. Looking for a coffee table that's equal parts timeless and trendy? Say hello to GUTTANE. Originally featured in IKEA's 1963 catalog as Novette, this oak masterpiece combines mid-century elegance with modern functionality. Its minimalist design fits beautifully in any living room, offering plenty of surface space for your coffee, books, or decor. And if you want a perfect pairing, it goes hand in hand with the GUTTANE side table. Bring a touch of classic sophistication into your space with this iconic piece. Small but mighty, the GUTTANE side table is here to shine. First seen in IKEA's 1963 catalog alongside its coffee table counterpart, this oak beauty has been reimagined for today in the KLOKHET collection. Its timeless silhouette is versatile enough to suit any room, whether it's holding a lamp by the sofa or serving as a nightstand. Pair it with the tan coffee table for a cohesive look, or let it stand alone as a stylish accent. Its classic design made fresh for your home. Why wait for spring? The SMYCKA artificial spray brings vibrant, forsythia-inspired yellow to your home all year round. No maintenance required. Crafted from over 50% recycled plastic, it's both eco-friendly and stunning. Perfect for indoor or outdoor use, SMYCKA fits anywhere, from a dining table vase to your balcony. Plus, its adjustable stem lets you style it just the way you like. Bring timeless cheer to your space with this forever fresh favorite. Set the mood with the DAGLIGEN Unscented Pillar Candle. Its soft yellow glow is perfect for cozy mornings, romantic dinners, or peaceful evenings. With a sleek design and 40-hour burn time, it brings warmth and ambience to any space. Just add your favorite candle holder and let it create a haven of calm. Stylish, simple, and effortlessly inviting. Let's light things up with the KLOKHET Unscented Candle. This elegant green beauty is all about creating the perfect ambiance. Whether it's a romantic dinner, a cozy evening, or a peaceful morning, this candle sets the mood. Made from 100% stearin, it burns with a steady flame and won't bend, even in warm or sunny spots. With a burn time of 5.5 hours, it's the perfect companion for your moments of relaxation. Simple, stylish, and oh so charming. Enhance your windows with the airy charm of STENFRÖ sheer curtains. In a delicate pink hue, these curtains add a soft, cotton candy touch to your space while beautifully filtering natural light. They're perfect for creating daytime privacy, softening sunlight, and reducing glare on screens. Made from recycled polyester, they're not only eco-friendly but also easy to care for, holding their color through many washes. With versatile styling options, use the rod pocket for a casual look or create elegant pleats with curtain hooks. They adapt to your decor effortlessly. Say hello to the IVAR shelving unit, an IKEA classic for over 50 years. From pantries to living rooms, it's your go-to organizer. Crafted from sustainably sourced solid pine, it boasts natural charm that gets better with time. The felt doors add a cozy touch and double as a pinboard for photos or notes. Plus, you can swap the felt for your own artwork. With adjustable shelves and endless customization options, IVAR is more than storage. It's a timeless statement piece for your home. Add fun and function to your space with the JETSTRÖM LED wall light panel. Vibrant colors and smart dimming make it perfect for movie nights, gaming, or a playful kids' room. Use the remote or pair it with the Regera Hub and IKEA Home Smart app for ultimate control. From warm, cozy tones to cool, energizing whites, this panel sets the mood effortlessly. Who said lighting can't be fun? Say goodbye to boring with the HORNFELS extension cord. Its vibrant yellow design is not just practical, but adds a playful vibe to your home or workspace. With its clever angled shape, you can power up to 4 devices without any plugs getting in the way. Whether you're charging your gadgets or powering holiday lights, HORNFELS brings energy and style to the table. Functional and fun. What's not to love? Brighten your day or night with the JETSTRÖM LED ceiling light panel. This versatile panel offers adjustable brightness and color temperatures to suit any activity. From warm tones for dinner to crisp, cool light for working, it adapts seamlessly. Control it easily with a remote or the IKEA Home Smart app for added convenience. It's not just lighting, it's the perfect atmosphere for your home or office. The Hemlagad 6-piece cookware set will have you falling in love with cooking. Its lightweight aluminum design and even heat distribution make every meal a breeze. The grip-friendly handles are perfect for easy lifting, and the durable ceramic non-stick coating keeps your food from sticking or burning. Wow! With features like strainer lids and energy-efficient heating, this set is both practical and stylish. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction, it's the perfect addition to your kitchen. Sleek, gray-green, and oh so functional. The Ängslilia pillowcase is a dream come true. Made from 100% pre-washed cotton, it's soft, breathable, and so comfortable against your skin. The earthy gray-green tone brings a calm, cozy vibe to your bedroom, while the natural fabric absorbs moisture to keep you cool and comfy all night long. The envelope closure keeps your pillow perfectly in place. Pair it with the matching duvet cover, and you've got the ultimate recipe for a peaceful, stylish sleep. Refresh your table with the Slowstört tablecloth. The red and white design adds a festive touch, while the durable cotton and jute blend offers softness and strength. Ideal for tables seating 4 to 6 people, it's an effortless way to update your dining space. Thanks so much for joining me today and checking out these amazing new IKEA products. I hope you found something that'll transform your home. All the links are in the description, so make sure to grab what you love. And again, a massive thank you to all the new subscribers. I'm so excited to see you all in the next video.